Looks like a fair number of hens.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a pretty good boom if you're not expecting it.
You got over 25 boxes here probably.
18 in the net. We got plenty of boxes.
My name is Dan Kaminsky. I'm a wildlife research biologist with the Iowa Department of Natural Resources. We're in southern Iowa today and we're trapping wild turkeys as part of a research study looking at survival of hens and poult turkeys. So what we're doing today is we're trapping hens and we're putting backpack transmitters, and these are a satellite transmitter that will actually take a GPS location and then send it to us by satellites over to our computers. And so we can track their behavior. And then this spring we'll come in after they start incubating, and it'll be 26 to 28 days clockwork that they'll hatch a nest after they start incubating. And we'll capture the poults and we'll put transmitters on the poults, and we'll be able to follow their survival as well. The main point of the study is that we're interested in poult survival, and so right now we're using these hens to get to a bigger question of what's causing poult declines in Iowa and the eastern United States. 70% of poults will die before they reach 4 weeks of age, and that's just natural mortality. What we're interested in is the 30% of poults that make it past 4 weeks of age and into the fall population. And what we're seeing is that in the past, it was always assumed that once poults reached 4 weeks of age that their mortality would be the same as adults once they can fly and roost in trees at night. But we're seeing poult declines across Iowa and across the eastern United States. And right now, we're seeing in this part of southern Iowa, poult to hen ratios around 2 poults per hen. And that's low. There's a study out of Wisconsin that had been done in the 90s, and they indicated that if you get below 2.6 poults per hen, you're probably talking population decline. And that fits with our numbers that we're seeing turkey numbers drop in Iowa and across the eastern United States. But this really is not an Iowa-specific problem. This is region-wide. And so what we're doing with the poults and with these hens is we're looking at primarily diseases that might be affecting turkeys. And so we're collecting samples, we're collecting oral swabs and blood from these birds, and we'll be able to test them for a variety of viral and bacterial diseases, and then we'll do the same with the poults this spring. So our next step is about 3 months from now, in late May, early June, we'll come back to this area. These hens should be hatching their nests by that time, and we'll capture those poults and start looking at their survival as well. And we're hoping this to be a 3-year project. Right now we're in year 1, and we're hoping to continue this for the next few years to get a longer term picture of what's driving turkey declines in Iowa.